Now, hopefully you've spent a little bit of time playing around with the if statement and you got a good idea of what it does. So now I'm going to introduce you to the while. So while is an actual, it's called a loop. So this will be, I guess, your first loop. And to do this, let's also introduce you to the variable bool. Now, bool is really easy to understand. We'll just say bool. We'll name, it stands for Boolean. We'll name it test. That'll be the name of the variable. We'll set it equal to true. So bool has two conditions. It can be true or it can be false. So it's kind of like a switch. So now we'll see the while keyword. So while test equal to true, so not false, right? Because there's only two. So while test, oops, we're asking, not telling. While test is equal to true. Move my mouse out of the way. We want it to do something. So, oh yeah, let's make another variable. Int x, we'll set it equal to 1. We will go console dot write line. We'll print x out. All right. We also want something to happen. We want to go x plus plus. So I'm not going to run this program because it's basically going to run this forever, right? Because there's nothing changing the value of test. So while test equals true, it will do this. Test is in kind of a perma-true state at the moment, so it would just run it over and over and over again. It just run this. While test equals true, it is. It'd run it again. And come back. While test equals true, yes it is. Run it again. So we need something to change the value of test to false. So let's go if x equal to, let's say, 10. So now we've got a statement inside of a statement. And what will happen is we will go test equals false. So what's going to happen here? Let's just run it and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what happened? Well, we have a variable of x and variable of test. Oops. And we have a while loop. So we say while test is equal to true, do everything inside these brackets. And it did, because test is equal to true. So it goes console.writeLine. It prints x out on the screen. X is equal to 1. And that's what we got here. After it printed x on the screen, it said x plus plus, which if you remember back to like tutorial 3, this just adds 1 to x. That's what it does. So x now went from being 1 to 2. And then it said if x is equal to 10. Oh, nope, x is not equal to 10. So it skips this. And it goes here. Well, it's going to come back up here because it's in a while loop. While test is equal to true. It is true. It runs all the code again until x gets to 9. If x equals, or 10, sorry. It says if x equals 10. Well, x does equal 10 this time, right? Test equals false. So it changes the value of test from true to false. So then when it exits the while loop, comes back up here to run it again. Test equals true. Test does not equal true. So it exits out of the while loop and continues with the program. So that is the syntax, and that is how you operate the while loop. So I hope that was helpful. Oh yes, I'm supposed to be saying too, like and subscribe and all that great stuff. But that's up to you. All right, thank you.